What are reptiles? Reptiles are cold-blooded organisms. They have dry skin covered with scales or bony plates. Usually, they lay soft-shelled eggs. Let us now get to know some of them by their names. Crocodile, turtle, snake, tortoise, lizard, chameleon, tuatara, gavial, gecko, iguana, skink, python, worm lizard, rattlesnake, Gila monster, viper, boa, king cobra, taipan, green anole, warren, king snake, adder, anaconda, black mamba, newt, cottonmouth, spotted turtle, bug turtle, green sea turtle, wood turtle, pond slider, common box turtle, desert tortoise, flying lizard, kite, pond snake, red-eared slider, water monitor, Komodo dragon, desert monitor, Nile crocodile, dwarf crocodile. Thank you so much. Keep watching for more videos.